to the channel. My name's Dino, this is my partner Adam, and our fur baby Twyla. We love travelling in our Ford Transit camper van, travelling in our Jimny and doing tent camping, and occasionally staying at an Airbnb. So if you like free camping, paid camping, camping tips and tricks, camp cooking ideas, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right channel. So if you like what you see, press the subscribe button and come with us as we travel Australia one town at a time. Now let's get into this episode. Right guys, it looks like Aldi is getting ready for Easter with their camping gear. They've got a whole heap of new stuff, plus some old favourites, and including my barbecue that I recently just brought. They've got that back in stock, so if you want one, definitely get it. In this video, I'll quickly show you me using it just the other day. But yeah, let's go in and check out what they've got. But like I always say, get in quick, because Aldi, they always sell out really quick, and if you can't get in one store, try a few others. They're normally pretty close together, the stores, the Aldi stores. So anyway, do your best. Hopefully you'll get there in time to get these. I'm going to try to release this episode out straight away, but anyway, get in and let's go in and check out what they've got. And guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you definitely go down the bottom and like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Alright, let's see what the very first thing is I'll be showing you today. Okay, we've got a lithium battery. I know nothing about batteries. I didn't see any charger mats there, but they did have the batteries. So if you're looking for one, I couldn't even tell you if it's a good price. I'm pretty sure it would be, because it is Aldi. But there is some information on the back if you want to pause and have a read. But otherwise, these were at $299. Next, you got these floor mats. Now, these can be cut to size, but these ones are, I think they're 2.5 meters by 3 meters, but you can cut them down to whatever size you need, and they are quite light, so it's not like they're a heavy mat. Adam and I got similar ones from Kmart. These are $29.99, and we do actually keep ours in the bag, so then it stays all nice and neat, and if they're dirty, it doesn't dirty your van inside. So yeah, another good buy from Aldi. Okay, I think this is a new addition on the block, a washing machine. Yes, a portable pop-out washing machine. It looks pretty cool. It's even got fancy little buttons on it, and yeah, I think this is the first time I've seen them here, and I haven't used one of these before, so I don't know what they're like, but $79.99. I was actually thinking Adam and I should get one of these for our next long trip away, but I might have to go home and find out if he thinks it's worth it. But anyway, give it a go if you want a washing machine on the road. Next out there for you caravanners, we've got an anti-theft lock. I'll just zoom into that information there. If you want to pause like I always do, you can have a read. These are $29.99. We have no use for these, but if you do have a caravan, you might want these, or even a trailer. 15A to 10A safety adapter. Yes, Adam and I have got one of these. Ours looks a little bit different. We picked it up from Bunnings, but these look like they're a really good price, because I'm pretty sure they're about $60 at Bunnings, but don't quote me on that. Rechargeable bug zapper. If this does what it say it does, I think I'm going to get one. It's 10 hours of using time if it's fully charged at $49.99. That is pretty decent, and it can be left out in the weather, which is good. And I think it would be so handy in this warmer weather. Now, I don't know exactly how these work, but it's saying a slim window alarm. So maybe if you're in your van and you're feeling worried about someone breaking in, it might wake you up if someone tries to open your windows up. I don't know. But anyway, they've got them there. It is a new product, I think. I haven't seen them before anyway. Mr. Aldi, the expert. So yeah, if you want these, they've got them there. Next, we've got these fake grass mats. This is another item Adam and I have. We have ours in grey. Now, this one's a bit better than ours, because it actually comes with a little peg, so you can peg it into the ground so it won't move on you. And also, it comes with a strap, so you can roll it up and put it away when you're not using it, and it keeps nice and neat. And they easily shake out. They're a really, really great idea. And yeah, definitely recommend getting one of these if you haven't got one already. Next, we've got the 5 litre outdoor shower. Now, these you can leave out in the sun. They warm up, and then you have a shower. Put it up high, get a bit of pressure, and there's a bit more information there if you want to pause and have a read. But otherwise, these were $49.99. Next, we've got a couple of things. We've got some torches that can clip on by the looks of it and charge up. And then also they had some head torches as well. So these are it here. And they're both, I think, the same price. Let me have a look. $12.99 and $9.99 for the head torch. And then they had these caravan covers. So all the information's there. Again, just pause it if you want to read it. They were $119. I don't know how the sizes work for this, but I mean, if you're a caravanner, you will know. Okay, this would have to be my favourite thing here. I love it. I've got one. Look, to be honest, if I had the chance, I would even get a bigger one. They only sell the one size at Aldi, which is this smaller size. And yeah, it does a great job. They are selling them for $59.99. That's what I paid for mine when I got it. But let me just pop up a little bit of footage of me using it just the other day. Yeah, so this just comes out like that. And then it's got little legs on the side. You pull them out. And then you stick this in the top, like so. And then when I'm ready to put the coal in, I just lift that back. The coal goes in here. Yeah, it's all locked in. Yeah, it's ready to go. Oh, that looks so good. That's exactly what we wanted. Look how good that looks. Okay, let's get back to shopping. They had these hoses, 10 meters, and they were quite reasonable, $24.99. Now, these are quite handy. Adam and I have one of these. We use it for our sink when we go camping in our tent. Plus, they have washing baskets, just storage containers you could use them as, but they just fold flat, really easy. And it looks like whichever one you want, they're all $22.99. Now, I'm loving this. We've got something similar again, so don't need to get it, but it's pretty much everything you need when you go camping. It packs really flat, and also the handles can come off, which always makes it easier again to store away. And that's what you're always looking for when you're camping, is the smaller you can get it, the lighter you can get it, the more compact you can get it. It makes it easy for storage in your camper van, caravan, or even tenting. Now, with all this talking, I think it's time for a coffee. Yes, they had a 12V kettle that you can plug in, and you probably plug it into your solar panels so you can warm up your water, or when you're driving along, plug it into your cigarette lighter. And they are going for $39.99. I don't know if that's cheap but yeah, that's the price. Now, this is actually a coffee maker. I would love to give one of these a go, but Adam would probably shoot me if I went home with one of these. Yeah, so I don't know how they work, but I've seen someone use one before, but I still don't know how they work. But anyway, that's what it is. If you know what it is, it's $39.99. If you like your coffee, you might like one of these. Now, if you're famous like our dog is, Twyla, you might want a bit of a privacy screen to keep lookers out. These were $29.99. No, we don't have any need for them, but if you do, yeah, good little buy there. Okay, I'm loving this rechargeable fan. Now, this looks like a new product. I don't think I've seen it here before. I've seen plenty of camping shops have these, but it does charge up. You can have it on high, low. It does connect to mains, or you can have it, obviously, so you can charge it with your solar panels. And so it comes with all different leads. And you can even charge your phone on it if it's got, but I mean, I don't know why you'd do that. It'll probably run out really quick. But anyway, yeah, so these are great, and they're a nice size. So for a family, or even if you're in a tent and it's a hot night. Another new product they got is these key rings. So it's a key ring. It's like a multi-tool. So you get a plug to charge it. It lights up. You can put your keys on it. It can open bottles. So it can do a few different things. Unfortunately, there was no price, but I'm sure they wouldn't be that much. Then we've got a collapsible kettle. So this one collapses. It's half silicone, half, what would it be, aluminium? And that's $29.99. Then if you've got to step up into your van, you might want one of these. Now, this even comes with a bit of glow tape on it, so it glows so you can see where you're stepping, and they were $39.99. They had camping chairs also. These weren't too bells and whistles, they were just kind of your basic chair with a holder. They were $29.99. Then they had these ones. They had a little table on the side. They were kind of folded up into a bit of a square, so they're not like your long ones. This was one that was open, but I still couldn't work out exactly how to open it fully, but I'm sure the instructions are there to tell you, and that was $59.99. This one's definitely for the kids. It's an adjustable tablet holder that sits in the back of your car seat, as you can see here, so these kids can watch their tablets while you drive, and they were $24.99. Earlier we had the washing machine, so why not a clothesline? This one packs up pretty well, and it was $39.99, and it comes in a little cute bag with a handle to make it easier to carry. And it is good on the longer trips. Sometimes it's quite handy just to have something to hang your clothes on outside, especially if you're embarrassed of people seeing your undies. Okay, there was quite a few bits and pieces in this area. So they had these kind of strap things. They had things you can tie down, help you tie down your tarps, jack pads, and also they had extension cords. So that's all the information on there if you want to check it out, how much it weighs, all the rest of it. So yeah, they had a few different things there, and their cords are $24.99. Now they had a few sets of collapsible bowls, containers. They had some round ones like this. Then they had some square. Oh, these ones was a rectangle that you had different dividers in. Then you had your square. So there's quite a few different varieties. So if you're looking for something like this, and again, you know, keeping things compact, which is always good. And these were all the same price at $14.99. Now, if you're a hiker and you're looking for a new drink bottle, this could be one for you, $19.99. And they had accessories. They even had this parachute cord, really long, that you could strap around you so you could have your bottle over your shoulder when you're walking, so it gives you your hands free to be able to control your walking. Now, I know a lot of you follow our channel because of Twyla and us having a dog, so this would definitely suit everyone. $19.99 for those people that have molting dogs. These are a fantastic idea. We are just blessed that Twyla doesn't molt, don't want to rub it in. But yeah, if your dog does molt and they like to sit in the back, this would be a great idea. Also, they had awning tensioners. We don't need these really. Oh, well, I suppose we could use these, but yeah, they were $19.99. And then lastly, a 24-inch HD caravan TV. These are awesome. And it's even got YouTube, just what you need to watch our channel. So make sure you get one of these. They were $199. We've got something very similar in our van. Right, guys, I hope that's given you some fantastic ideas. Now remember, we've got our episode coming out this Sunday at 5 p.m, so don't miss out. If you're new to the channel and just found us, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. And yes, guys, I hope this has given you some inspiration to get out there, get camping, and they've got some great products. So go out and get them before they sell out.